Taka-Tak, good morning. LinkedIn members, good morning. It might sound funny of this Taka-Tak. Let me tell you, it's the most famous and influencing Taka-Tak slang going around in India. I'm not sure whether the Taka-Tak is going to be successful, but the slang attracts me to start my morning very well, right? So I just want to make sure that this Taka-Tak is meant to finish this video as soon as possible. So for non-Indians, let me tell you, Taka-Tak is nothing but fatafat. In Hindi, they say, just do it right away, like Nike's caption, just do it, right? Just do it, do it, do it. Yeah. So that's exactly Taka-Tak is all about. And my sister is also waiting for some Taka-Tak to happen in our account. So there is a lot of influence in this Taka-Tak. Okay. So in that energetic note, I would like to start today's session and complete it before 15 minutes. We are talking about industry and product knowledge, sales positioning, and our approach, which means our company brand's revenue approach to make our customers successful in their revenue race. Okay. So my name is Das Kishore, and I'm the second employee of Brands Revenue, and I'm presently doing this series of AI software, and we are talking about a solution, a particular product as such, or a industry and the product, and on top of that, from the products, if we had an opportunity to work with such products, this is how our approach will be. Okay. Now, yes, it sounds like I'm trying to get the product onto our clientele. Yes, to an extent, because that's what I'm working for, but I'm not sure I will get everything what I need. So I decided to also educate my fellow sales colleagues who are sales professionals in those industries, so that they can use this strategy and make their company successful. And when they are making their company successful, I'm sure I'll be a good friend of them, and that's all I'm looking for. Am I looking for a good friendship for a benefit? No, I don't. I'm not looking for a good friend for benefit. I would be looking for work for a benefit, not for friends. Okay, not from the friends. So friends are friends, and without any expectation, because we like them as what they are. Okay, so I don't want to get into philosophy. Let's dive into AI software. Today we are going to talk about data analytics in insurance industry. So AI software or AI library or AI data sets integrating into a software where in the insurance industry. So these days, insurance are predominantly sold in the software. Gone are those days where my aunt was a LIC agent in our family, my dad's sister, and she used to, talk to all my rich uncles, because my father was not as rich as my uncles were, right? So she used to talk to them, and she will make sure that they are signing up for a life insurance these days, where it was just happening through LIC agents, and they used to sell. But today, the agent concept has been diminishing, and it is going to end very soon, because the software has taken up. Policy Bazaar is a author for bringing all the insurance, consolidating in one platform, and a lot of us have subscribed from Policy Bazaar to various different company like Acko recently is becoming very successful. Tata AIG, Tata is a signature or a very reliable player in the insurance because of their tenure and their policies in place that they will never cheat a customer. I am one of the Tata Business Excellence Module alumni. I worked in the organization during the initial part of my career as a contract employee. However, Tata extended the privilege for us to learn Tata Business Excellence module, which helps all the employees to work in the value system of what Tata believed in. Okay, so moving on. So coming to the AI data analytics into insurance software, it simply enables the insurance to understand the customer more, and insurance company to understand the customer more, and populates the data what they need. And it also enables the management of the insurance company to understand what are the type of issues they are, what are the type of claims they are getting, where they have to be, where they have to increase the price, where the claims are going large in number, and what are the age group of people who are actually applying for claims, so that the age group. So that's why we have the price increase. For the more the age we are, the more the price we pay in insurance, right? I'm 39, so my insurance is definitely different from my wife's insurance if we go and take an insurance separately, individually, because she's 27 and 28, and I'm going to be 39, right? So what happens is the price range is different for her, and price range is different for me because I'm 10 years elder. Now what happens now? This helps the AI, this helps the insurance management to understand, they run the business profitably. They are not for charity, right? They're trying to make sure that they do business out of it, where a lot of people are not claiming, a lot of people are not claiming, and few are claiming. So they have to balance the equation and go on a profit ratio, at least by minimum of 12-13% and above as their EBITDA. Else, they are going to suffer in their operation. So they had this data already analyzed by humans before, with the master data in place, where they used to buy data and underwriters used to analyze it, and then give them a consolidated report, or this is the summary, or this is the price range it has to be for the respective groups. Okay. Now this is being overtaken by the AI solutions data analytics company. So it starts making sure that the mistakes are not done by the human. So that what it does is, based on the data in the past, all they need to do is whatever they had in Tally or an Excel sheet, they have to put it in a server, so that it goes as a soft copy, and so that the AI data analytics will take a deep dive into the pool of the data and sort the data and bring up an analytics on the data as a beautiful summary, which is very, very important for the management of insurance company. How it is helping the customers, the buyers like us. For us, it'll give you a population on what is our interest on, and why you should buy this, and what are the facts and figures, in terms of last 5 years, how many they have claimed, settled, how many have claimed, and how many the management has settled. So they have if you go to Policy Bazaar, you have something called success ratio, or settled ratio, where you'll see 99, 98, 97, 96, all mention more than 95. Okay, so so people go for more 99% settled companies. So it's very evident that they want their claim, and that's why they're going for 99% companies. So whoever is declaring that they can provide 99% of the claim honors it, and if there is a dispute in that honor, then there is a governing body to make sure that they are settling what according to what their claim is. Okay, so it's all covered from the back end side, but on the front end side there is a gap. What is the gap? The gap is yes, AI data analytics have come into it. People are starting to use it, and the data solution. So Policy Bazaar, Max Life Insurance is also trying to onboard AI libraries independently onto their system. Acko is also trying to onboard AI libraries or AI solutions into their system directly, because they are selling right now in the Policy Bazaar marketplace, right? So, what Policy Bazaar need to do? I'm going to talk about Policy Bazaar's strategy now, because that's where we come to an approach. So what Policy Bazaar needs to do? Now what Policy Bazaar does is the minute somebody checks, there is a trigger sent to them, and so immediately, I'm sure you would have experienced, you would have got a call from people saying that, from Policy Bazaar executives saying that you were looking for a policy, how can I help you, right? So I think this strategy is wrong. I'll tell you why. Because people don't like to be monitored, and the minute they give an inquiry or they get into some analysis data, when they're trying to do an analysis and somebody calls and says, what do you need? Tell me, I will get that done for you. It's like intruding the privacy. So I think Policy Bazaar should stop that pattern, and what Policy Bazaar should implement is basically allow the customer at least 1 day, 2 day to think about it, and their calling system should be after 2 days, saying that, you know what, we have understood that you have analyzed some data. I'm sure that you have done your own analysis, but I have called you to help you to identify the right plan for you, so that if I can understand your need and the root cause for the need, I will be able to give a solution much better, right? So people, there are good buyers, bad buyers. Bad buyers buy for claiming it wrongly, where insurance try to mitigate it. But we have to make it very open to them, saying that, if it is for any wrong purposes, then you're not going to get the claim. So please feel free to share your root cause of why you're trying to buy this plan, so that we can be of help to you. Yes, the system is correct, the approach is correct, but the timing is wrong. So that's where I would expect or request Policy Bazaar to look into that particular pattern. What next Policy Bazaar can do? See, while you're signing up for Policy Bazaar or downloading the app, you enter all your details, including the number, email address, and everything. Okay. So the best thing what you can do is create a wonderful one-pager presentation of what they have inquired. If it is about inquiry on car insurance, bike insurance, health insurance, medical insurance, give 4 to 5 competitors in one summary, in one single page sheet. Just give them a summary, call them and say that, we are going to give you a comparison summary, okay, but you have to pay a minimal cost of 100 rupees or 99 rupees. Why 99 rupees? Customers can say, I can do it on my own. Tell them that you are expert in this. You're trying to become an expert, which we appreciate, but we would like to help you. Just pay 99 rupees for us to give you that analysis, which will give you 5 overall high-level summary and detailed summary. If you're interested further on any particular company, we'll give you a drill-down report, but you pay a cost. Why are you asking for a cost? Because you want customers to commit. You don't want window shoppers who are just passing by and taking a look at it, and where your employee time is wasted, right? So I'm sure customers will pay 99, okay? Swiggy is successful in getting 99 subscription for Instamart. Zepto is successful. So the more lower you go, the customer is very willing to pay. And in today's present status of our government and our government's claim, we are all rich, right? So 99 rupees is nothing for anybody, okay? So that's exactly the strategy what I would like to conclude for Policy Bazaar. Now coming to the solution on how you could close that customer, now that when customer has paid 99, he is very well committed to you that, he is going to continue. So the conversion percentage will be very high. Conversion percentage will be high and not less, because customer has spent 99 rupees, and every person who spends even 1 rupee on something likes to get the full benefit of it, right? So on that psychology, I think the customer's conversion will be increasing for Policy Bazaar as well, because Policy Bazaar has to understand that everyone are incorporating their own AI libraries, and you have to become competitive in your marketplace to make sure that your customers are still with you and not exiting out from you. And Tata is one of such companies who will definitely honor their loyalty. So give them some extra benefits, because give extra benefits for your customer who are loyal to you, who you think are very potential and loyal to you, which makes them attract with you as your customer, so that end customer who is buying will be comfortable buying in Policy Bazaar. Okay. So that's it. That's exactly what I want to tell you. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope this is a Taka-Tak day for you. And have a wonderful Thursday. And definitely if there is any comments, clarifications, contradictions, or you dispute with my thoughts, please write down in the comment. I only keep a limit of whoever wants to comment have to connect with me. So my post will have only the connections to comment. So please go ahead and comment. I'll see you.